I hope you are all well and good. I am your Mr. Professional Hacker, and today tool is Medusa, which is very powerful tool used worldwide. So today we will explore its theory and conduct practical demonstrations. Let's dive in, learn about it. Okay. First, I need to send uh, this lecture link on in my Facebook group and in my WhatsApp group because a lot of people waiting there, and just please give me 2 or 3 minutes for that. When I will send, then we will start our lecture. Okay, so please, you need to join live. English lecture is started. Okay, so just wait. Join live. English lecture is started. And just wait 2 minutes more, please. Join live. English lecture is started. And now I need to send in my group because today my strike is finished, and now I will share this link in my group. Today English lecture live class is started to me now. Start to learn. And please join to me live. Join to me live. Class is started. Okay, please join to me live. Live class is started. Request to all, join to me live. Live class is started now. Okay. So, with person available right now, join to me live. And I will share this link. Live English class is started. Okay. Now, okay, now start our lecture. What is Medusa tool? Okay, Medusa is a powerful, fast, and parallel brute forcing tool commonly used for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It's designed to perform dictionary based brute force attacks on remote authentication services. Medusa supports a wide range of protocols such as SSH, FTP, Telnet, HTTP, SMB, and many others, making it a versatile tool for testing the security of network systems. Okay, how Medusa works? Medusa operates by systematically attempting combinations of usernames and passwords, usually from predefined word lists, against a target service. It works in parallel, meaning it can test multiple passwords or services simultaneously, making it significantly faster than sequential brute forcers. Here is basic breakdowns of how it's work. Okay, here is a basic breakdown of how it's work. First, Target definition. You specify the target IP address or host name. Second, service specification. Define the service you want to attack like SSH, FTP, HTTP, etc. like that. Okay, number third is word list. Provide Medusa with a word list of potential usernames and passwords. Number fourth, brute force attack. Medusa tries each username passwords combination on the service. Number five, successful login. If a correct combination is found, Medusa will report a successful login. Okay, purpose of Medusa. Medusa is primarily used for first penetration testing, to assess the strength of a system's authentication mechanisms. Number two, security audits, checking if weak passwords are being used. Number third, ethical hacking, finding vulnerabilities in network security by testing multiple login attempts on various services. Number fourth, research and analysis, understanding how brute force attack work and how to defend against them. Okay, and in next session our practical is start, but still waiting here and see here no one joined to me live. Please join to me live because it's a very important tool. It's a very powerful tool. Okay, and still I'm waiting, no one can join me from my WhatsApp group. Okay, so please join to me live because I already sending this thing in group. Again I will send join to me live English. Already shared in this group. Okay, now let's move on our practical session. Okay, first here you type a Medusa -h and here you type your victim IP address. Okay, you must have a victim IP address. Actually, this command target host name or IP address. This specifies the target host name or IP address. Here you type your victim IP address, but here I type example IP address. This IP address is just used for practical and it's used for ethically practical. Here is I type example admin. Okay, and here again I type example password. But here you type your victim password. If you have, if you don't have, then you need to get first password. Here is actually SSH is a protocol, and listen about that. In this example, Medusa will try to brute force the SSH service on the IP. It's mean your target IP 192.168.1.10 using the username admin and password is password. Actually it's example, but when you type this command you need to have a complete information about your victim. Then you type here and then it start working. Okay, if I enter this, now it start working. I told you in previous lectures I can't going in deep practical because I got strike on my video before, so I don't want again strike on my video. It's just ethically, it's just legally. Okay, I will teach you ethically hacking, and it's totally according to law and ethically. Okay, let's move on. Our next command is file containing target host names or IPs. This allows you to pass a file containing multiple target host names or IPs. Okay? Okay. This allows you to pass a file containing multiple target host names or IPs. Okay. Here you type a Medusa hyphen capital H, then you again type your target, again type your target.txt, target.txt. It's actually file. If you have this file, then you type here. If you don't have this file, then you need to make, I think, if it show any error, in this case you need to have file. When you type here, then it start working and then provide you a result. Here is a FTP, also it's a protocol. Before this we use here SSH, now I use here FTP. Medusa reads multiple targets, IPs or host names from the target.txt file. Okay, if you have target.txt file, then you type here, then it's working. If you don't have, then first you need to make target.txt file and perform a brute force attack using the FTP module. If I enter here, it's not working because here it's what he say, no such file or directory. Now in this case, first we need to make target.txt file, then I type here, then it start working and then show you result. But you need to make according to your victim detail. Okay, in this file you need to enter your victim detail which he asked from you, which it asks from you. Okay, so let's move on our next command. And I'm really surprised again today no one can join me live here. It's a very I'm not happy. Okay, let's move on. Our next command is the option specifies a single username to test. Here you type a Medusa, then here you type -h, again here you type here your victim IP address 192.1.10. Okay, then again here you type and again here you type root, then here you type password 123, then here you type capital M, then again here you type SSH. In this case, Medusa will attempt to log in to SSH on the target using the username root. Okay, enter, and now it shows you a complete all commands. Here is what he say, password information must be supplies. Okay, now here is it's working because now we are in root. It showed you a complete detail about root. Okay, because we are in Medusa tool and it show in root complete detail about this tool, like all commands, usage, description, etc. Okay, which data available in root it showed you. Okay, Let's move on our next command. Just wait. Okay. Next command is file containing username. Here just you, it's no. Actually, it's proper, not working proper. Okay, no need to type here Medusa. Okay, then here you type again -h, and then here you type again your victim IP address, but I type here example and dead IP address. Okay, here you type again -u capital. Okay, then here you type a username. It's mean username. Usernames dot txt. Then here you type again password 123. If it's not working and if it show error, one thing you need to mind it, you need to remember, if any command showed you a error, when you type complete command and showed you error, it's mean you don't have file data, you don't have file, you don't have directory. In this case, first you need to make file and directory, then again after making this complete requirement, then you type here again complete command and hit enter, then it showed you a result. Otherwise it showed you again and again error. Now here you type FTP. Okay, Medusa will attempt to log in the FTP service using the username listed in the username.txt file. When you make usernames.txt file, you need to save some passwords. You need to save some usernames, and next is file with the password 123, and again here you type -p. Okay, and then you provide and make password 123 file and save some passwords in this. When you type complete command and hit enter, then it start working. Okay, now here see, no such file or directories. Mean in this case you need to make complete, you need to make first complete file and you need to make complete file and directory, then it showed you a complete result. Otherwise you did not get any result and it showed you error. Okay, so please just wait here please, and here because it showed you some error, that's why I share some doing some settings, and still 19 minutes goes, no one can join me live, and it's very surprising situation for me because I'm doing hard work for you and I'm doing lecture to you, but you don't support me. Okay, no problem, I will do my work. Okay, next command is password to test. This specifies a single password to test. Here you need to type, just here you type hyphen h, then here you type a 192.168.1.10, then again here you type hyphen u, then here you type admin, okay, then here you type hyphen p, then here you type secret password, secret password, then again here you type hyphen m, and here you type SSH. Okay, Medusa will attempt to log in to SSH using the password is secret password, for the username is admin. If I hit enter here, it start working. Okay, start working on your provided IP address. When you provide your victim IP address here, it start working on IP address. Okay. Our next command is file containing passwords. This option uses a file that contains multiple passwords for brute force attempts. Here again you type Medusa, okay. Just here you type root, okay, then you type here hyphen p capital, okay, then again here you type passwords dot txt. Here you need to make this file, okay, and then type here and then hit enter, then it showed you result, otherwise it showed you no file or directory available here and showed you error. Medusa will try each password from the passwords.txt file to log in into FTP with the username root. If I enter, it showed you no such file or directory. It's mean first you need to make passwords.txt file and save some password in this file. Then type here and then type complete command with this. Then it show you result. Okay there. Okay. Next command is file containing combo entries. This option allows you to use file containing username, password combinations. Here you just type again, just a simple, just here you type some changes, capital C, okay, and here you need to remove this one, okay, and here C, and here you type combos dot txt. Again this is file, you need to make this file, otherwise it showed you same result. Here you type SSH, okay. This file combos.txt should contain lines in the format username, password, dot. Medusa will try each combination for the SSH server. Okay, no such file or directory. It's mean we need to make combos.txt file first, then type here command with this, then it showed working. Okay, our next command is log information to a file. This logs the attack's output into a file for later review. Okay, here again you type same command but some changing, with some changing. Admin, okay, then hyphen p, password, admin 123, okay, then type here hyphen m, then here you type talnet, then here you type hyphen o capital. Again here you type log .txt. The results of the brute force attempt will be saved in the log.txt file. Now here is, if you type here ls, here is log.txt, okay, which working it's doing, it's saved in log.txt file. Next command is additional password checks. Okay, here you again type command but with different, here you type ssh and back, here you type root, okay, root, and here you type -e, here you type s, then you type -m and ssh. N mean try without any password, S mean try password and username, NS, okay, NS. Try both no password and password username, okay. But first we need to check complete command, then we need to hit enter, okay. Now it start working, but I don't show any working here due to strike. You need to do on your system, you will have a lot of time. This will check if the username root has the same password root for the SSH service, okay. Next command is name of the module. Specify the module to use each service SSH, FTP, HTTP, etc. Requires its specific module, okay. Okay, here you again type, here you type SSH, okay, then here you type password 1 2 3. Sorry, here we need to type small, and again here you type user, okay, user. The SSH module is specified here for brute forcing SSH credentials. Hit enter and start working, okay. You have a lot of time you need to do on your system, please. I just type here for you ethically practical, okay. Next command is parameters for module. You can pass additional parameters to the module using this option. Here you type again command, okay, here you type this command, just remove this thing here, -h, then here you type -u, and here you type user, okay, then here you type -p, then here you type password, okay, then here you type -m, and here you type HTTP, then again here you type -m, and here you type form, capital form, then here you type colon, then slash, then here you type login .php, it's file, okay. If it's working then good, if it show error and say you no such file or directory, then it's mean you need to make file first. After done your file, after creating your file, then you type this file name with this command, then it's working on it and showed you complete result. Okay. This brute force an HTTP login from targeting login.php. Here it start working invalid. Showed invalid and showed warning, because here I provide to his just example IP address, but when you provide to his your victim IP address, then it's working. Okay, dump all null modules displays a list of available Medusa modules. Here you just type simple Medusa and type here -d. It showed you a complete detail and complete. This command will list all supported protocols like SSH, FTP, HTTP, like that. Use non-default TCP port. If you want to use non-default TCP ports, because this our lecture is lengthy, so we need to conclude our lecture, and just type here simple password, and here we need to change some things. Admin password. Okay, then here you type -m capital SSH, then here you type -n, then here you type 222. Okay, this option allows you to specify a non-default port of the target service, and Medusa will brute force SSH running on port 222 instead of the default 222. Enter and start. We need to stop here. Okay, our next command is enable SSL. This enables SSL, for example, for HTTPS or FTPS connections. You need to type same command, some changes, you need to do some changing here. Username, password, okay, and here HTTPS. Okay, then here you type -s. This brute force HTTPS connections using SSL. Hit enter using SSL. Cornell load HTTP, like that. Okay, it showed, and type here complete detail about that. You need to read on your system, because I have a short time and no one can join me live. I really very disappointing. Okay, next command is concurrent logins. This specifies the number of logins to test concurrently for faster results. Here you type again same command with some changings. Same, just here admin, then here P, then here password, and then here -t, then here 5. Medusa will perform up to 5 login attempts at the same time. Enter and tries 5 attempts, and then provide you 1 real attempt. Okay, next step is concurrent host. This sets the number of hosts to test concurrently. Here again you need to type command, and you type here -t3. Okay, then everything is almost same. Medusa will test up to 3 hosts simultaneously from the targets.txt file, but here you need to remove this, and here you type a capital H, and here you type targets txt file. It's not working yet because I don't have file. First we need to make file, then it's showed you result. It's complete command. Okay. Medusa will test up to 3 hosts simultaneously from targets.txt file. Let's move on. Our next command is stop after first success. This option stops the brute force attacks as soon as valid username password is found. Just you type here again simple H. Okay, then your same victim IP address which you do working on it, and other command is almost same, just here we need to type -f. Once Medusa finds a valid login, it stops further attempts. Okay, this command do this work for you. Okay, here is almost, and here we conclude our lecture. It's a very important session, so make sure to watch it fully and practice. For those who are new to the channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Thank you so much. We will meet you in next lecture. Bundle of thanks for your joining. Brother, I'm doing working on Medusa tool. Okay,